Okay, so you requested how to change a data cable, and I'm just going to show you a few things how to change it, but not on this actual e-scooter, because this one it came for a different problem, but it's the same scooter as yours. So firstly, what you want to do, you want to get these plugs out. So you get these plugs out and undo all these. So you got all these 6 screws on the top, and then you also got little washers as well. Then you got another 4 screws at the top. Okay. So on here, this is the data cable, and it goes through here, go all the way up here, and all the way to the neck. So that's the cable what you want to replace. If you pick that up and slide that out, then you cut all these cable ties. So you wanna unclip the battery cable, right? So you wanna unclip the battery cable, and then this one here, what goes through here. So there's 2 screws here, so you want to undo them 2 screws and then unclip that data cable and unclip the battery, and then pull the data cable through here, undo this rubber bolt, pull the data cable through, and then obviously somewhere along the line here you'll find a rip, and that's what you need to replace. But I won't be showing you anything else, because this scooter has come for something different. It comes for a tire repair, not a data cable. So I just wanted to show you that.